YouTube, what up though, man? I am back. It's been a whole week. I had a couple videos, content built up while I was on this leave. I had took a 1 week leave. I'll explain how all that works out in my 9-month review video coming soon. Yeah, I took a 1 week leave due to personal reasons. Just now getting back to my truck. It's Tuesday. Loading it back up with all my stuff and food. Let me show y'all something though, man. Anytime y'all are gone for more than 3 or more days from your truck, you want to empty out your fridge. This is to all the new drivers. You want to empty out your fridge because I did do that, but I forgot some stuff. For one thing, really. Once I get back, forgot my wrench was up in there, man, and it's probably all spoiled and rotten now, even though it was cold in here. But yeah, man. Oh, and also check this out. Truck off, truck on. Truck off, truck on. The truck is basically just not wanting to cut on at all. I think it's because they hit the switch on it, cut the truck off during my leave. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure that's the reason. Message my fleet manager back. Let her know that I'm ready to roll. I'll go pick up a Coil once I'm done loading the sugar. And make sure I'm done loading it up first and doing my pre-trip. Anyway, once she does call, or once I call her, I'll be ready to go. But yeah, man. Week off, I'm back, man. No more delays in videos and uploading videos, editing videos, unless I get sick or something. Y'all don't know, that's a whole nother process within itself. It's a whole nother job, basically. And I don't do this to obtain money, gain money, or get money, but if it comes along the way, then I'll take it. But I do it for y'all, man. The people that had questions about truck driving, just like I did before I got into it. Want to know what it's like, want to know the pay, the lifestyle, I'm trying to, come up with all that content, man. But it's gonna get bigger and better from here, man. Just stay tuned. Appreciate y'all, man. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see y'all when I'm picking up. So I'm sitting here, man. I just took a nap. I'm about to take a whole nother one. So when I said my truck was disabled earlier, it's actually just not starting up. The battery's dead because it's been sitting for a week. I'm just waiting on someone to come, give me a jump start. They should be here shortly. Then I'll be on my way, man. But I've been sitting for the past 2.5 hours. Yeah, man. Let's see how this go. So update, man. I just woke up from my nap about 45 minutes ago. Still ain't got no update on why it's taking so long. They just keep saying they'll call me back, or what the holdup is. All I need is a jump start. Mind you, I put this in at, let me show y'all, man. Let's see, 9:37 a.m. Central Standard Time. I tried to reply, still waiting on someone to come out. But with my truck being, dead, I have no power source. I'm at a pilot. I'm up the street from home, but it's still, every time I turn the truck over, it's not cutting on. No network connection. I want to go back home. I really do. But I got a feeling that the time I leave, someone's going to be out here calling me to come back. Or that'll probably be the most likely scenario. But I'm all ready to go, man. Ready to go pick up a load and hit the road. I could have stayed at home. You know. I'm thinking about it. But yeah, man, I'll keep y'all updated. Get a jump. Y'all, gonna wrap it up. This dude just told me though, during the snow week around here, he's from Cordova, Tennessee. During the snow week over here at this Flying J in particular, in Olive Branch, Mississippi, he told me he made $20,000 a week just pulling people off the side of the road, recharging batteries like what he's doing for me. Said he averages $500K a year as well. He said he works alone, he's independent contractor. He gets all his costs from other third-party companies. That truck and his equipment is all him. So, something to think about. But yeah, man, he said after taxes and paying off all his insurance and maintenance and car notes, just paid that off. So there's $112,000. He said after paying all that off, he walks away at the end of the year with $275,000, $300,000. Good man. Different avenues of money to be made in this trucking industry. You know, just can't do one. Weigh your options up. What up, though, man? So I'm finally back up on the road. Dude just recharged my battery. It was completely gone. It was completely shot. It took him about 10-15 minutes to, 20 minutes, maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes to get me back up and running. Just had to keep charging up. Gave me a jump start. Yeah, man, I'm back up on the road. I'm finna go pick up. I think my fleet manager is sending me to Alabama. She may be out of office. Let me message her. My messages, none of them were going through. But I'm about to see now. Says she's sending me to Alabama, Hueytown, Alabama. I'm hoping it's a single steel coil, very light, that I'm able to, go pick up, come back home for the night, deliver in the morning. It's a 3-hour drive from where I'm at, so I should be all right. Yeah, man, I'll see y'all when I'm picking up. Oh, moral of this story, man. If you're perk, if you got anything going on personal, you're parked for more than 3 to 4 days, keep coming back, cranking up your truck, leaving running for about an hour, mess around on the phone, do what you gotta do, but keep cranking it up. That way keep your fridge and food and supply and all that cool, as well as keeping your battery going. You won't have to deal with this, because I literally been here since 9:30 a.m. you know, waiting when I could have been at home, which is right down the street, 30 minutes, you know, until they came. But nevertheless, we back on the road, man. I'll see y'all when I'm picking up.
It was fortunate to groom himself a little better. They were gone on with their lives, allow you to hold my feelings hostage.
My routine doesn't change, and the things that I say based on the situation, it never changes as well. So I start saying something, and she'll finish it. Whatever it is, I know. All right, I know you know.
Yeah, I want to say it though.
You know how hurt you gotta be.
See, TV wasn't always days, but TV used to go off at midnight. He 50-50, yeah, it's like that. Yeah, right now. You know, Joe.
It's 7:45 p.m. Real dark outside. I'm picking up this late because of what happened earlier in the video. But usually if I'm picking up after hours, they always send me here, man. Kinder Morgan. There's nobody at the desk. If there's no one here, this is what you do. If no one is present at the desk, please use the radio to call the warehouse operator. I already called before I made this or started the video. I'm just waiting on him to come check me in, and I will pull off the scale out there. And yeah, into the bay to pick up this one coil. I think I got like 2.5, 3 hours left. So I get enough time to secure, get loaded up, secure tarps, and get to a pilot or somewhere where I could take a shower. I'm only 5 hours away, I think, from my delivery in the morning. So it should be all right. Yeah, man. See y'all when I'm securing.
Make sure to support the show by hitting the link.
It was good, man.
Shit, everything I was good with you. The All-Star Selection game as opposed to Anthony Davis. That's what we talking about.
You averaging 20.
So I just stopped to take a shower up in Richmond with this pilot. Do my pre-trip. Make sure nobody sabotage this truck all down. I'm gonna go get a truck wash. I got a trailer maintenance due, all this stuff due. Whenever I come back from this break that I just had, trailer maintenance, truck wash, all this stuff. Just a heads up, I found this out yesterday. I'm new to all this, but you can get a trailer maintenance anywhere that has a shop. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Maverick shop, but you can get a trailer maintenance anywhere. As long as they get a shop, like a Lowe's or Pilot, Flying Lip. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. This vlog gonna be real long.
You don't have to say it. It ain't happened yet. I'm like me from like, yo, I still gotta stay focused.
I mean, what you wanna?
He's like me.
forgot to record this yesterday when they loaded me up. When I always make sure your coil is sitting in the middle of the trailer. Mine is kind of, when I'm on this hill, lopsided where it's leaning. So, and I always make sure your coil is centered in the middle of the trailer. Looks like it's about to fall off, but I'm all good. Another load in the books, man. About to go home until in the morning, and I'll pick up again. I'm 3 hours away from home, so yeah, man. Get something to eat on the way. I'm low on fuel, so yeah, man. I will see when I'm picking up in the morning, man. See you then. I'm out.